Formula SAE is a competition run between universities around the world. There's about 420 teams, I think, around the world. And basically, as a group of university students, we get together every year and we design and we build a car and we test it and we take it from concept to completion. And then every year, at the end of the year, we take it down to competition and we race against the other universities and we see how we did.
Okay guys, so we're down here at Willowbank today just doing some basic testing for both the acceleration and the skid pan event. Basically we're trying to sort of dial in our traction and launch control. So what we've done is we've sort of worked out the optimum speeds that we want and RPMs we want for takeoff. Now we're basically just getting out there, laying down some rubber and trying to work out what gives us the best times. Alright, so I'm the head of engine and drivetrain in the team. That basically means that I have to oversee the design, manufacture and maintenance of all of the sort of powertrain related sub-assemblies. I'm also one of the team's test drivers, so basically after we've been in the workshop and the labs crunching all the numbers and working out what works best, we come out here, lay down some rubber and sort of have a bit of fun and see how it all goes.
So I'm the electrical director of the team. Basically I oversee the design and implementation of the electrical system of the car. The whole idea is to try and get as much as we can out of the car, as well as providing a good driver interface.
G'day, my name's Jimmy Wall. I was the electrical director of the team in 2012, graduated at the end of 2012, and now I'm working at an industry in a job that I got through connections at UQ Racing. So UQ Racing made a massive difference to not only my degree, but how I get on with my engineering career afterwards. So I cannot stress enough how good a time you're going to have in UQ Racing and how good it's going to make your future prospects. As the electrical director in 2012, I was responsible for designing the electrical system to not only support the vehicles running, but being a new age car, the electric system is really integral to how the vehicle works. So we're doing a lot of data acquisition to work out how we could make parts of the car better, and also making sure that any power that we had for the car, for our ignition systems, etc., were as high as we were going to get, so we could get the most bang out of our sparks and go as fast as we could. UQ Racing is a great opportunity to get elbows deep in a real world project that is not bound up by the little boxes that they give you when you're doing 2-hour practicals. And the great thing about it also is that once you do all the sums and you make your design, you get to put it together and go out and rip skids in it. So highly recommend UQ Racing to any engineering student. And if you're in business or marketing, then you've got a real world project here where these guys need as much money as they can from sponsors, and it gives you the opportunity to go out there and press the flesh with potential employers and really get your name out there.